uh, today we will develop a simple demo app for VBA. Okay, in VBA, when I say VBA, it is application of Visual Basic in Microsoft products. Okay, uh, when there was no C# or .NET or these languages, there was a language Visual Basic. Okay, that was object based. Okay, that VBA is with this Excel. uh, the first thing is this is a development hub. So developer tab must be on. Okay, developer tab means for the developers there is a tab, and we should have this code, this thing, right? Visual Basic. These are the tools we can write macros, automatic functions, and we can write anything in Visual Basic for Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Access. Okay. Now, when I add these two numbers, okay, there is a sum function, okay, and sum function I add this, comma this, right, and I press enter. Then this is 20. This sum is what? This sum is from the Excel people, okay, Microsoft. And why not? We should have our own function, because experienced people have who are using Excel in accounting or in engineering. What they do is they use their own functions. They use their own function. Okay. So what we do is, and let me check one thing. Okay, right. Now, I want to make my own add function. I will use simply this editor, this Visual Basic IDE. And I want to add a module in this sheet 1. Okay, and I write function, simple function, and I write add, I name it add, and A and B. Right? And I return it like this. There is no return statement in simple Visual Basic. Okay, so I will write A plus B. I will add these two numbers. I pass these two numbers from the cells, and this function will return the addition. Let me save it, and during save, macro enabled workbook must be enabled. Okay, not simple workbook, macro enabled. Okay, I check it and then save. And I just press yes. Now, if I go here and I call my out function equal to add, you see this add? This is the add, right? And I add, and I use this cell, comma, this cell, and enter. You see this 20? Okay. So this is my own function. This is development, right? My own function, my own, even we can create class. We can make objects. Okay. One application, simple application. Another thing is we can do is this on sheet 2. Okay, this is easy to understand. If I want to add some, for example, a text box. Let me see. This is text box. This is label. This is label. Okay. Let me add this label. Label is, if I right click it and go to properties, and I change caption. There is a caption, right? Label 1. And I add, for example, amount, simple amount. Okay. This is amount. And this is amount. And I write this with this amount, this column. And I copy it. I close this. I copy it, Control C, Control V, and this is amount, and right click properties, and I offer some discount. Discount is offer some discount, and then there will be in front of this First of all, I just go here and see the page layout, and there should not be any grid line. So this is just to show that this is an application. Okay, this is application in Excel. This is our text box, and I just draw it. This is a text box one, and I copy this, Control C, and I paste it over here. This is Control V, and I paste again here the result. Okay, the result, and I should copy this, Control C, and paste here, and I just align it. This should be what? This should be the total amount. Uh, total total to be paid, and there must be a button. There must be a button, and that button is just just draw this button, and I change it to, I change the caption to I think this is command button one, and there is no caption. Why? Text. This is command button, and we have caption. Okay, this is the caption, right? And we have this calculate. Calculate. Calculate is the function. Now I right click it and go to view code. View code. I just take dim. Dim means dimension, and this there is amount, dim amount, right? And dim uh, discount, discount, and I calculate total with what? Discount is, if discount is, for example, text box one, text box one. The first text box is text box one dot text, dot text. I should just copy this in amount. Okay, amount is what? Amount is equal to text box one dot text, and discount is discount is equal to text box two dot text box two dot text. Now these two things are these are texts. Why not? I use scene, and I convert this into integer, and this is scene, and I convert it into integer. Now a discount is a percentage. So discount is for example, if whatever the discount is, discount divided by 100, and it should be inside the bracket, and then I should multiply it with amount. This is simple discount calculation. Now I go here and text box one, text box three dot text is equal to discount discount. Okay, so this is simple. Now I think I should convert it to CSTR, because this is string. Okay, and I just save it, and I go to go here, and I think I should close this all. Okay. Close this all. Now I go here and this. Now I enter total amount is 1000. I insert 10 10% discount and calculate. This is 0. This should not be 0. Let me check it again. I go to design mode and I go to design mode and I right click it, view code, and text box 3.text should be discount. Why this is amount, total amount is C integer 1000, and if I just discount is equal to this is discount. Okay, this is discount, spell miss. In coding you have this kind of mistakes. CSTR and this. It's simple. I should close it. Okay. After save, and I go to output mode, and now I calculate. This is 100. 10% discount. Okay. No. This is not right. I should go again in the code. This is testing, and go to view code, and I should add in from the total amount. I should minus the discount, and discount should be what? Discount should be integer, and now the total I should convert into string and then send it to text box 3. I save it and go here, and I will again go into this. Okay, and if I calculate now, this is 900 because 10% discount is 10%, total amount is 1000, 900 is left. So this is another application. So we can control these cells, every cell, okay, with the programming. We can control the colors, we can control everything, even we can hide all this with one instruction. And you can see that there will be no menu, there will be no this, just like we hide here, we can hide these things. Okay, and it's like a software, complete software, some accounting software, some ERP. We can build a complete ERP in Excel. Okay, right. So this is this ends my demo. Hopefully you have understood these two concepts.